I am worth more than they thought of me. I gotta be the Lord, said I'm worth it all when he paid the whole fee. Put a spirit in my heart so that I can be free. Way be, you will find liberty and have peace every day away. Gotta give thanks, gotta pray. Whatever my hands gotta do, I gotta do it great. Go the whole way, gotta stay focused in the paint. Bottle in my face, I don't wanna.
What's up, y'all? It's your girl NayNay, and I'm here back with another video. Now this video wasn't planned at all. It's like almost 12:30 in the morning, but it's okay. It's okay. So as you all can see, my ends are looking rough because I had my hair in a twist out and then a puff. So I need to do something to get my ends back together, like on this side right here. And I was doing it and I was like, well, why not record a video? So I want to show you how to go from this to this. And the products that I will be using is this Dream Kids Olive Oil Miracle Detangler spray right here, and some good old plain H2O. So let's get started with the video. Alright, so let's start with small sections at a time. Get this clip. And literally, all we are going to do is spray the end. Spray that with some Detangler spray. Take some water, do it like that, and just finger detangle. No detangling tools needed, just finger detangle. If you need to add a little bit more of what you feel like you need, I'm just asking for more. Now look at the difference that made. It didn't even take me that long to do. So you went from this. I'm sorry, you went from this to this in a matter of less than a minute. So that is really easy to do. And as you can see, like, I just did my hands, but like the length of my hair got, like, can we appreciate these curls, y'all? Like this curl, man, what? Bruh. So yes, let's do this. Ooh, y'all. Alright, so that part is detangled, and we're going to keep on going. Y'all, this is so easy. Like, when I say easy, I mean like easy. And probably y'all thinking, well, why'd you grab the little baby detangler? Girl, that's what I had. You gotta work with what you got. Baby detangler, kids detangler, either way you detangle your hair, you feel me? So yeah, just do it section by section. I feel like smaller sections is the best, because when I try to do the bigger sections, yeah, that didn't work out so well. My fingers couldn't glide through as easily. You felt like you was just tugging and pulling, like you playing tug of war or something. Nah. So yeah, just go ahead and detangle, get that joint nice and smooth or whatever. If you see me looking down a lot, I was live streaming. That's how you know I was lit. I was recording a video and I was live streaming at the same time. You feels me? Okay. So yeah, you just get the detangler, you get the water, and you just detangle that joint like real life. Detangle that joint. So you just do that, make it all smooth and nice, and I don't know if silky is the word. But make that joint out nice and smooth, and make sure that joint glide through, and you could definitely see a difference. Like I had said, you can do this like just on your ends, but you could actually do this throughout your hair. I didn't need it throughout my hair. My ends were just bad. Y'all, don't be like me. Be better than me. Never let your ends get that detangled. So where you have to do this, like I was so upset. Like, be better than me. Don't be like me. Be better than me. You feel me? Like exactly. Be better than me. Cause I couldn't. Like I was struggling. Y'all, my hair was bad. My hair bad. I mean bad. So yeah, it is what it is, you feel me? But this process is so easy. I think it took me like 30 minutes or less, maybe. Maybe, I could be wrong. But I know at the end of the video, I say how much time it takes me. So, yeah, but like I said, nice and easy and smooth, you feel me? So just keep on detangling. Keep on going until you get all your sections detangled. Yeah, don't mind me. But anyway, detangle that hair. Detangle that hair. Well, them ends actually. You know what? Just enjoy what you finna see for the rest of this video. Okay? I'll be back maybe. See how I feel about y'all. Love y'all, but I'm see how I feel. Okay? Ouch. It's a lot smoother, a lot easier to work with. There we go. So I believe in this clip I was either finishing the last section or the last two sections of my hair. I think. I could be wrong. But yeah, so just doing the same process with the water and the detangler and the struggle of low porosity hair. May not be able to see it, but the struggle of low porosity hair. Okay. So, oh yeah, you can kind of see it. You see like the water dripping on my arm, whatever. Water ain't nothing to play with, y'all, but it's good for your hair. So yeah, just finishing up this section, and we about to be done. Bye 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 boom. All right. So guys, as you can see, my hair is nice and detangled. Well, it's nice and detangled at the ends now. It's way better than when I first started, because as you can see, like the ends were real like matted up, and now like this is at least manageable. I can run my fingers through this right here. So let me take out everything so you can see what it all look like. So as you can see, my ends are nice and detangled. It really didn't take me too long to do this part, about like maybe 30 to 40 minutes doing all the sections. So yeah, but now I can style my hair, put in a head wrap until I do my bun, which you will see my sleep bun. I will make a video for you all. So yeah, this is how my hair is looking. Not too bad. But thank you all for watching this video. If you haven't, please make sure you subscribe, hit that notification bell so you're notified every single time I upload a video. I do upload on Mondays and Thursdays. So yeah, you all have a blessed day, night, wherever time you watch this video, and I'll see you. Bye.
Lean, drop a big popper, think I need a surgeon, doctor, fire department. I've been on the streak, no losses, we get sparked, and then I go and leave the surface, join my Martians. Set the timer, seat recliner, but I never ease my mind in perfect timing. Recommend they work